Okay, let's do our last example. So it's going to be 8x squared plus 2x, take away 3. Wonderful. So the first thing that I have to do is open my both brackets, and I write here 8x and 8x, and I divide everything by 8. Therefore, this one is not going to be -3, it's going to be -24. Because that's 8 times 3. It's going to be -24. Now, let's think about the factors of 24. So those are going to be 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, 6 times 4, and that's it. Okay, which pair of these ones is going to become a +2? So because I have a -24, I know that both of them, one has to be positive and one has to be negative. But when I add them, they have to become +2. So it has to be these two, this pair that I have here, but this one has the 6 has to be positive and the 4 has to be negative. So those are the ones that I select. Now I'm going to bring them and write them. Doesn't matter which bracket. So 6 and then take away 4. Good. Now I look at the first bracket and I say, what is the highest common factor in the first bracket? It's 2. So then I do 8x plus 3. And then I look at the second bracket and say, what is the highest common factor? And this one is 4. So it's going to be 2x, take away 1. And then over 8. You might be asking, what if, because you can see already here that I can cancel these 2, because these 2 and this 4, I'm not going to rewrite it this time. 2 times 4 is 8, and I can cancel up with this one. So you might be thinking now, what happens if when I do this, I can find that, let's say that I didn't take here a 4, like the common factor, I took a 2, let's say. If I did that, I didn't select the highest common factor, I just take one of the factors that was 2. Then I have 4x, take away 2, and you have here a 2 outside, and 2 times 2 is 4, and you cannot simplify it with the 8. That means that you have done something wrong in the process. You always can cancel it up like we just did, okay? So this one is going to be equal to 8x plus 3 and 2x, take away 1. Oh my goodness, massive mistake here, Miss Ochoa. Hopefully you are seeing this as well. This is a 4. Miss Ochoa. Sometimes, like, honestly. Good. Yes, and I thought about it because when I saw the problem, I say, how is this an 8x times 2x? That's 16x squared, so that's not working. Okay, if I look here, this is going to be 8x squared, take away 4, plus 6x, so that's going to be +2x, and then +3 take out times -1 is -3, so that's the answer. That's correct. Well done, Miss Ochoa. Okay, hopefully you find this useful, girls. I love playing with these numbers. Have fun doing your exercise.